Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate an image with Recraft AI. In order to do so, first off we want to go to Recraft.ai, and once we're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. You can either click here where it says create new project, or up at the top left hand corner you can select create new project there. We'll go ahead and just click that. And then from here, you can see that you have an option to either create a new image, a frame, an image set, or a mock-up. We'll go ahead and select image. And then here you are given your area to prompt. If you want to prompt a cute red panda, then you can just hit your enter button and then you can click Recraft. In my case, I went ahead and I already generated something here. I generated a cute bunny owl, and that is the result there. It is pretty neat. I like it. It has 4 wings, which is a little bit not what I was looking for, but still it's a cute result, kind of animated sketch cartoon kind of style there. A little bit different than what I was expecting based on the parameters here. And if you click up here, you can see that there are a variety of options that you can choose from. So I'm not entirely sure why it chose to generate in that style, because that doesn't seem to be the style that is up here. But let's go ahead and let's try selecting photorealism and let's see what we get out of that. So we'll go ahead and click Recraft, and we'll just give that a moment there. And there you go. We've got something that does look somewhat photorealistic. It looks like it's kind of straddling the line between a sort of stuffed animal or an actual photo, but that's pretty cool. I like that. That's a kind of a cute result. And so that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Recraft. I think it's got some interesting results there. Just be aware that it does cost credits to generate an image. So just from that, you can see that we have generated there, looks like 4 credits it took for us to do those 2 images. So that's not too bad. That means that you'll get quite a few images from the 50 credits that it gives you when you start the free account. If you want to upgrade your account, then you can do that by clicking upgrade, and then you can look at the different plans that it has available there. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.